Okay, so your first task is go to coast.noaa.gov/SLR/, and that's for sea level rise. We're going to get started in here. When you enter, you're going to see a map of the United States. This is the current map of the United States, and we're looking at the water level rise. You can see as I start dragging the water level rise up 7 feet. There's a lot of places from Boston, New York, Washington, down along Florida, in here around Texas, Louisiana, all that are going to get flooded pretty terribly up here in Seattle and Washington, a little bit along the coast of California. But we want to really dive into some specific areas. So if you go into local scenarios, you can see that you're going to find tons of different places across the United States, the coast, and even further out into some of our islands. Down here is Miami, so I think I'm going to go check out Miami in Florida. I'm going to zoom in. This is a pretty powerful program, so it might take a little bit for you to kind of zoom in. So here I am in Miami, pretty popular tourist destination. Lots of people live around in here. And in this local scenario, I'm going to hit this Miami Beach. Okay, and I'm going to view by year. Notice on the side here, there are years and floods, but view by year is going to give us kind of a different look. So I'm going to go up to the year we've been checking out, which is 2070. And now I want to see what's going to happen to this Miami Beach. And again, I'm going to kind of zoom in a little more. I really want to see what's going to happen. Notice it's, surrounded by this bay here. So we're going to get a feel. Now, if the sea level only rises a little bit, okay, well, you can see a little bit of flooding going on. Some places kind of taking on some water. Okay, but what if it goes a little higher? Let's try some intermediate high. Woo! Miami Beach, look out, we're going to start really flooding. What if there's some extreme? Wow. Almost this entire island here is going to be underwater. And now I don't know how many people live on this island, how many places. It looks pretty densely populated here. So think about how many hundreds of thousands of people may be displaced. Not just Miami here, but this is if we have extreme ocean level rise. Just some predictions for 2070. So this is what I want you to look at and be ready to defend with your next action.